Hello, this is Priya Hojai and you're watching NDH Prime Time. Let's look into the headlines first. CM Special Scheme distributed at Maibang and Mahur. CM 1000 assures to help the people of Subhash Nagar. Decayed dead body found near N. Dilauthai village. 6-lane highway to connect Impal and Haflong soon. Irom Sharmila resumes first on release. 6-lane bridge over Brahmaputra. Now the news in details. Ceremonial distribution of Chief Minister's Special Scheme under Maibang DVD Block Maibang was held at Maibang on 1st March. In the ceremonial distribution program, 380 SSG of Maibang Subdivision were benefited. In the program, CEM Debojit 1000 along with EMs Nirmal Langthasa and Thaishodao 1000 were present. After the ceremonial distribution program, CEM inaugurated BDO office which was implemented by DVD Block Maibang. Apart from Maibang ceremonial distribution of financial assistance under Chief Minister's Special Scheme was also held at Mahur on 2nd March under Jatinga Valley Development Block. The program was attended by CEM Debojit 1000 and he was accompanied by the EMs Nirmal Langthasa, Mihir Gorlasa and Athong Lianthang. A group of people residing in Subhash Nagar, Maibang met CEM Debojit 1000 on 1st March at Maibang and seek help from the CEM 1000 in shifting their house. Expressing their gift, the people say that they have been residing in Subhash Nagar since many decades, but a notice was issued by the NF Railway couple of months before directing to vacate the place near Maibang Railway Station. CEM 1000 also assured that will help them as far as possible. A decayed dead body of middle-aged woman was found on 1st March in the evening near Nathun Dilauthai village under Langting police station. According to the report, Poljan 1000 of Nathun Dilauthai village found a dead body in his Jum shifting cultivation hut and then he soon informed the police. According to the local people, she was mentally disordered and dumb too. The police could not find out her address, yet an investigation is going on. The police informed that the dead body might have left isolated in the hut for at least 2 weeks. Manipur will soon have a 6-lane highway of international standard, Works Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar Singh declared on 2nd March while laying foundation stone of the Hautapi Kyamge Bailey Bridge at Manipur. The minister said a 6-lane national highway will soon connect Impal and Haflong in Assam via Kangchup, Tamenglong and Thozem. After the foundation stone was laid, a ceremonial function was held at river bank of Impal River at Arapti Hautabi Kyamge. Speaking as the chief guest, the Works Minister said the project will be the largest project of the state PWD and will be undertaken at the cost of Rs 1,200 crores. A day after her release from judicial custody, Anti-Armed Forces Special Powers Act 1958 Crusader Irom Charu Sharmila said she has no plans to change her form of protest and will continue her fast demanding repeal of the dreaded act even after more than 15 years of fasting. Sharmila resumed her fasting in front of the Shahid Minar at BT Road on 29 February evening following her release the same day. I have no other strategy to get my victory. What I really think as my step is influencing our half-hearted people so as to make up a collective voice for convincing the concerned government. Sharmila told media persons at her protest site on being asked as to what further course of action she will follow now that the government he failed to translate her demand even after 15 long years. Barely a week after Union Minister Nitin Gadkari laid the foundation stones of two major bridges over the Brahmaputra connecting Jorhat and Lakhimpur via Majuli and Shivsagar and North Lakhimpur via Dishangmukh, Assam Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi on 1st March laid the foundation stone of a 6-lane bridge over Brahmaputra connecting Karua and Narangi near Bonda in Chandrapur area of Guwahati. Addressing people on the occasion, Gogoi said that today's date will be written in golden letters in the history of Assam, as it is for the first time that the state government has announced to build a bridge over Brahmaputra on its own without taking any money from the center. The project is estimated to cost Rs 4,238 crore. That's all we have in our NDH Prime Time. For more updates, log on to our website www.newsdimahasao.today or follow us on Facebook. Thank you for being with us. Keep watching NDH.